So welcome back. We are now on harmonic sequence. Now, what is harmonic sequence? Harmonic sequence is very simple. For those of us that play keyboard, bass guitar, and many of them, there's something we call harmony in music. You understand? When somebody is playing a keyboard and there is harmony, it's not making noise or all sorts of playing rubbish or something like that. Harmony it will be melodious, calm, and everything. So it is still the same thing in sequence. So harmonic sequence is just when the reciprocal of a sequence forms an arithmetic word sequence. That means that sequence is what? A harmonic sequence. Now it's very simple. To know whether a sequence is harmonic or not, so let's just write down arithmetic progression we know. We know that 5, let me write it well. We know that 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 is an arithmetic progression because 10 minus this will give me 5. This minus this will give me 5. This minus this will give me 5. This minus this will give me 5. I'm not interested in this. I'm just trying to form a harmonic this thing sequence. Understand? So since I know that all these things are arithmetic progression, now I will write 1 over 1 over 1 over 1 over 1 over like this. You know what a reciprocal means? When the product of two numbers gives us 1, we know that the two numbers are reciprocals of themselves. For example, 3. They'll ask you what is reciprocal of 3. You know that 3 is 3 over 1. Reciprocal of 3 over 1 is what? 1 over what? 3. Just bring this one come up, bring this 3 come down. Reciprocal of 4 over 5. Bring this 5 come up, bring this 4 come down. It becomes 5 over 4. So that's everything about reciprocal. Now, let's check whether the reciprocals of these numbers will form an arithmetic sequence. If it forms an arithmetic sequence, that means this sequence here is what? A harmonic word sequence. So what is the reciprocal of 1 over 5? Carry this 5 and come up, carry this one and come down. When you do it, you get 5 over 1. And 5 over 1 is still the same thing as 5. So what is reciprocal of 1 over 10 is what? 10. 1 over 15, 15. 1 over 20, 20. 1 over this, 25. So does this thing form an arithmetic progression? We have checked it before. Yes, it forms an arithmetic progression because we are having a common difference too. We are having a common difference too. So that is harmonic word sequence. You understand? So now the end stem of harmonic sequence, that's a sub n, is written as, since we know that when the reciprocal of all the elements of a sequence form arithmetic progression, therefore the formula of harmonic sequence will now be 1 over, that's the reciprocal of this arithmetic progression, that's 1 all over the formula for arithmetic progression, a 1, which is the first term, plus n minus 1 times the common difference. So this is the formula you can use to find your nth term of any harmonic sequence. So for example, let's find the harmonic sequence, the third harmonic sequence of this. Let's assume that we don't know it. So it will now be a3 is equals to 1 all over. Let's assume that we don't know that the third term is 1 over 15. So 1 all over this thing, our first term. Our first term is what? 5. So write 5. Remember, we are looking for the harmonic sequence. So since we splitted it to be in arithmetic sequence, so when we find the this thing, because our first term will now be 5, when we find it, it will now go back to this form. So the first term is 5 plus the term we are looking for is 3. So 3 minus 1, then times common difference is 5. So our a3 is 1 all over 5 plus 3 minus 1 is what? 2. 2 times 5, 10. So it will now be a3 is equals to 1 all over 5 plus 10, 15. So do you see that the third term of this harmonic sequence is what? 1 all over 15. Do you see it now? So that's the formula. That's the formula. That's the formula. If you like, you will not stress yourself using this formula. Just use normal formula for arithmetic. Can you even see this thing? Okay. And see, just use normal formula for arithmetic progression. You know that the reciprocal will give you the reciprocal of all elements of a sequence form an arithmetic sequence. When the reciprocal of all the elements of a sequence form an arithmetic sequence, you know that that sequence is what? Harmonic. So you know, but for example, if you want to find the third term of a harmonic sequence, if you like, you cannot use the you will not use this formula. It will be a plus n minus 1 times d. You know this formula na arithmetic progression formula. So let's just use it and get our answer. So first term is what? 5. 5 plus 3 minus 1 times 5. So it will be T3 is equals to 5 plus 3 minus 2, that's 10 now. So get T3 is equals to this plus this will give me 15. So you find the reciprocal of this 15, which is what? 1 all over 15. You get your answer. I hope you can see it. 1 all over 15. You get your answer immediately. So that's everything about harmonic sequence. Subsequently, after treating all these sequence, you are going to enter fully into the questions. Thank you for watching and may God bless you. Don't forget to follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe on our YouTube channel, Instagram, TikTok, and the rest. Bye bye.